Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. I'm here representing the EDOT group. My name's Parth Parab, and this is a marketing analysis of Over the Rainbow T-Bar. Alright, first I would like to go over the SWOT analysis and executive summary. So to our strengths, we have premium tea, handmade ingredients, excellent service, rated second highest bubble tea spot in the local area. In fact, it has an average Google rating of 4.4. There's a well-made website as well as there's a loyal customer base. You often see customers commenting on Instagram posts and Facebook posts by the company. In terms of opportunities, we have the implementation of video marketing strategies, targeting to teens and adult youths via SEM, using SEO to our advantage. Both Redmond and Factoria locations are in busy office space nearing areas. In terms of weaknesses, we have a huge market with similar bubble tea restaurants within the area. In fact, there's 22 total within King County. Our restaurant currently has the 4th position on the search engine results page on Google if you look up bubble tea within Bellevue, and it's the 9th results in the Google Maps page for Bellevue bubble tea. Threats are there's large name competitors such as Happy Lemon / ShareTea, who've already had years of experience and major distribution channels which let them have cheaper prices, as well as we're not active on Snapchat or TikTok, which are major brands for connecting with the youth audience. So what is the Rainbow Tea Bar? The Rainbow Tea Bar is a local bubble tea shop with locations in Renton and Bellevue. They have a heavy emphasis on customizing drinks and premium ingredients. They were established in 2016. The goal of the restaurant and brand is to bring the variation of the Guangzhou bubble tea to the people of Washington. They're made from fresh ingredients, cooked to perfection boba, house-made toppings, and with the best tea available. I might sound a little bit biased, but they are definitely my favorite bubble tea shop. They're really, really good. So what exactly is the product that we're offering? We obviously have boba tea with extensive flavors to choose from. On the left, there's a list of the whole menu. There's about 50 different teas, I would say, along with juices as well as oolong teas. There's also additional toppings, all that are handmade in the in-house. Options to balance the sweetness as well as the ice level. Again, high quality in-house made ingredients, excellent service, as well as these bubble waffles that they offer that are to die for. They also include other snack items such as ice cream. I went ahead and segregated our target market into the different segmentations that we have studied in class. For demographics, I found out that younger people ages 13 to 18 and adults ages 13 to 35 were interested in our product, as well as higher income, upper and middle income people. Bubble tea is a luxury item. It sells for around $6 per serving. For psychographics, I thought high schoolers and college goers were looking for something that was more fruit-based, something more natural rather than artificial energy drinks, and adults that were looking for healthy alternatives to coffee. Geographically, currently we have one location in Factoria, Bellevue, which is close to the office spaces of T-Mobile, a shopping mall, the entire Factoria shopping center, and a college, Bellevue College, us. Potentially, we could add an additional location in downtown to reach a broader office audience, as well as visitors in the city. Behavioral, people looking to purchase a choice, trendier, healthier, and more sophisticated product is more likely the people that are going to buy bubble tea. That's a quote from the Sikkim Manipal University in Taiwan. They did a research project on the target market of what bubble tea users look like. Next, I wanted to talk a little bit about the main competition of Over the Rainbow. Bubble tea is an extremely popular product here in the Pacific Northwest. Just within the Bellevue area, there's around 22 bubble tea focused restaurants. The main competitors of Over the Rainbow being ShareTea and Happy Lemon. ShareTea is a Taiwanese-based bubble tea company with over 500 locations worldwide and 7 locations in the King County area alone. I think that they're the main competition of Over the Rainbow. They've been in business since 1992, so they have good distribution channels already, which is something that Over the Rainbow needs to work on. Happy Lemon is a Chinese-based company with more than 1,000 locations worldwide, and 4 of them are in the King County area. They offer the same type of bubble waffles as Over the Rainbow. I, however, think that Over the Rainbow has the better edge over them. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the current marketing efforts by Over the Rainbow. In terms of SEO, I don't think that they're using their search to their advantage as much as they could. They're the second highest reviewed bubble tea restaurant in the location of Bellevue, yet they're ranked 9th out of 14 on the SERP of Google Maps. On the very top there, you can see that it's ranked about 5th or 4th down from all the other bubble tea places that are in Bellevue. And then over here, you can see that it doesn't even end up in the top 3 above anywhere. Yet, it still remains to have that 4.4 average rating. I also wanted to talk a little bit about the social media about Over the Rainbow. So their Instagram marketing is actually done really well. They frequently post every couple of days, I would say. They have bright colors in each of their posts to make each new flavor look enticing and really delicious and make it really pop out. They contain some behind the scenes content so that consumers can see how the whole thing works. They also place great promotions. For example, here's one for their 4th anniversary, which if you bought 2, you can get your 3rd boba tea for free. They make that very clear with some simple visuals. They also had some behind the scenes content like how to make the egg waffle that I really like. Next, I want to talk about their Facebook page. The Facebook page is really standard. It provides all the information necessary, such as their number, the locations, as well as their website and their story. It also contains a plethora of short videos, 5 to 10 seconds, that show their products being made or used, such as the one I included, which was about their jelly tea, and it just showed the video of them building it from scratch. So to summarize, Facebook and Instagram are the only social media channels that Over the Rainbow is currently on. They're missing from Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok. These are important channels to be on if you're going to try to engage with a younger audience. There's also no video marketing, and there's no physical marketing, such as banners, flyers, anything like that. Currently, this makes sense that you want to be socially distanced, so physical marketing isn't as important. I wanted to talk about some of the issues that I had with Over the Rainbow's current marketing tactics. So for attracting customers, currently they're using a pull strategy, which means they're expecting people, because of their brand name, to come to them rather than advertise out to the consumers. In a market with so many different options for bubble tea, and where Over the Rainbow isn't the name brand, I don't think this would work. There's other brands such as Share Tea and Happy Lemon that have been around for many, many more years than Over the Rainbow has been around, so they have a more loyal customer base. So they need to implement a push strategy where they can advertise their products out to consumers. For retaining customers, Over the Rainbow has to set itself apart from the competition rather than be as standard as all the other bubble tea restaurants in the area. Currently, Over the Rainbow also has no rewards program, something that if they implemented, it would have a reason for customers to come back over and over again. I thought that we could take a little break from the presentation and go ahead and visit the website ourselves to do a little live analysis. Alright, so here is Over the Rainbow's main page. Real simplistic. I like all of the different emoticons and the lighthearted theme of the page. It also has that consistent cyan color, which is pretty good. They have their story over here mentioning how they got started, etc. A little bit about their drinks. A little bit about how they make their drinks. This I thought was really cool, where they have what kind of mood you're feeling and what kind of tea would go with that, such as if you need a cool down, they have all these. If you need some fresh fruit, they specialize in these. Talk about their egg waffles again, really, really good, would try. Some of the posts, some customer reviews, as well as some web links, good for SEO. Also saw this first one, which I thought was really cool. They sponsored an event at Bellevue College. I had no idea, but I wish I went to that. Really cool. Alright, so back to the presentation. To improve their website, I think they could use SEO a little bit more to their advantage. I think they could include a value proposition in their site text. This is something that a YouTube video went over in the module 6 or 5, I can't remember exactly. Something like handmade ingredients, premium quality tea, just something like that in their site title to attract customers over other sites. They also need to not try to be as fake and chase engine optimization. Rather, I would rather have them produce readable, informative content that creates lasting value for customers. Sites with these characteristics, well-written content, user-friendly, mobile-friendly, are promoted higher in SERP ranking. That's a quote directly from our teacher, actually. So here's some additional tactics that I also came up with in addition to improving their website. So I thought using SEM while their SEO is building, as SEO is a time-consuming and it's a long process that takes to perfect. There are a bunch of websites that college and high school goers frequently use, such as Quizlet, Son of a Citation Machine, Rate My Teacher, websites like that. We can use display ads on these websites to promote Over the Rainbow, measured by the conversion rates of the display ads to people clicking through to our sites. And bubble tea is the perfect thing to have on display ads, as they have those long tubes of the drink, and it makes sense to have that on the side of a page. They could also use video marketing. One of the best ways to convey the story of the product, demonstrate the product, as well as try to build a relationship with the customer is by using video marketing. When a customer can see and hear what they need to, it really helps them make a connection. We can launch longer, in-depth videos about our company message, meeting with the employees, or just other over-the-top rainbow content. On YouTube, we can have shorter length videos showcasing a new product or a new promotion, such as the ones that they use on their Facebook page already. We can launch these on TikTok. We can measure both of these by the impressions garnered by the videos. In conclusion, Over the Rainbow needs to implement a push marketing strategy so that they can push their consumers to buy their products. Over the Rainbow also needs to implement tactics that will make its consumers want to keep coming back. In addition to that, Over the Rainbow needs to increase its brand awareness and do something different to compete with other bubble tea restaurants in the King County area. Here's the few of the sources that I used, and that's it.